guys, so today's video is going to be a very chill, relaxed, laid back, chatty kind of video. I want to walk you through my current holy grail skincare products. I feel like I haven't done a video like this in a hot minute, and I've recently completely fallen in love with my skincare routine. I really like the state of my skin right now. I'm currently not wearing any makeup or anything. I have a little bit of mascara on, but my skin is pretty clear for the most part. I know it's really bright in here right now, but my skin is usually a little bit more red than this, a little bit more textury. I feel like it is doing really well these days, and I found a skincare routine that really works for me. And honestly, for me, this is just for me. This is not for everyone. I have found that less is more. When it comes to my skin, honestly, when it comes to my hair products, for me personally, less is more. And I find that the more skincare products I use or like pile on top of each other, the more irritated my skin gets. I have very sensitive skin, but it's not necessarily acne prone. I don't really get a lot of pimples. What I get is like under the skin bumps, really bad texture issues. If I react negatively to a skincare product, it's usually not through breakouts. A lot of the time, my face will just completely change textures. I will have reptile lizard skin. Like, you touch my skin and it feels like an iguana. It is rough. It is rough. I'll get like a rash, a lot of redness, the under the skin bumps. They're not necessarily pimples, but they are like whiteheads, stuff like that. I personally can't do like a full 7-step skincare routine because it's just always a little bit too much, at least for my skin type. So I am gonna walk you through my skincare routine, exactly what I do. It is very simple, but then I'm also going to be talking about some random skincare items that I love and I incorporate here and there into my routine. I will say a lot of these products are a bit pricey. Some of them are a little bit more affordable, but a lot of these are pricey. But honestly, I get sent a lot of skincare, guys. I get sent about as much skincare as I do makeup, and I'm constantly testing a lot of skincare, and not everything makes it into these videos. Like, there's a lot of skincare out there I don't like. These are tried and true and seriously work for me, and I love them so much. And like I said, I've been loving how my skin has been looking recently, so I want to talk about them. Okay, let's talk about my nighttime routine. So usually it starts with me removing my makeup. If I don't have any makeup on, I'll just go right in with cleanser, but if I'm wearing makeup, I'm removing it with one of these guys. I've loved cleansing balms for years, but I hate reaching into a tub, and there are so many good ones on the market, but the fact that I have to like dip my hands in it drives me crazy. I love that these come in a squeeze tube. This is the one I use on more natural makeup days. This is the Current State of Skin Sunflower and Oat Cleansing Balm. This one is a little bit lighter. It's not as intense as this one. I love that it just melts into the skin. It removes my makeup. If I have a full beat of makeup on, I use the Dezi Skin So Balm Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. This removes everything, like waterproof mascara. This one is intense, so good. I love it so much, and I do interchange them depending on what my makeup looks like. Then I'll go in with my cleanser. Now, this product is constantly changing for me. I am always testing out cleansers. I love testing out new cleansers because it's not as scary for me. I feel like I can get away with most cleansers. As long as it's not stripping my skin or drying my skin out, I'm usually okay. My number one favorite, my ride or die, tried and true face cleanser is this one right here. You can get this one at the drugstore. I have been using Vanicream for years and years. Do you guys remember when I had the under the skin bumps from drinking too much kombucha? Kombucha was causing all of this, and I didn't know how to take it away because I really didn't think that kombucha was causing my breakouts. And even once I stopped drinking it, my skin stayed like that for a while, and I swear my two holy grails were the Vanicream and pure aloe vera, which I'll get into it in a second. But yeah, Vanicream is the best gentle cleanser ever, super affordable, love it so much. Oh my god, I forgot to talk about the aloe vera also in this video. Sorry, you're just getting my hand right now. I look crazy, so I don't want to get on camera, but I have an aloe vera plant in my backyard, and I swear this was the key to healing my skin when I had that kombucha reaction. My forehead was really intense, and I would go to bed every single night with straight up aloe vera on my skin. I would just cut up the plant, get all the juice out, and slather it all over my face, and it works wonders on your skin. Just natural aloe vera straight from the plant. I promise you, you will not regret it. It is truly my skincare must-have secret. Whenever my skin needs a reset, aloe vera face mask at night. I'm also really loving this cleanser for my dry skin. It's so good. This is the Prequel non-drying glycerin cleanser for face and body. I just use it on my face. You guys, the texture of this is so unique. It kind of looks like aloe vera gel, honestly, and it's a little bit stringy like aloe vera gel. There have been times where I pump it onto my hand, I go like this, and I go to like wash my face, and it's still a little bit stringy, and I accidentally eat it. Like if my mouth is open, that's happened a couple times. It's an incredibly unique and interesting texture. It says it's clinically tested for 24-hour moisture, 50% glycerin. Oh, see, there's aloe, Oh, this is an amazing face wash, guys. I love Prequel so much. Ever since I discovered this brand, I've worked so many products into my skincare routine and I am obsessed. I love them so much and it's pretty affordable for how much product you get. Like, I have this Barrier Therapy Skin Protectant Cream, clinically tested for 24-hour moisture for face and body as well. This thing is huge. It's bigger than my, it's bigger than my head, and it is a really decent price. You get so much product. Their stuff is so good. I use this on my body all the time, even on my face when I'm feeling too lazy, you know, I just put it on my face. But yeah, right now this face cleanser is my current favorite. I'm obsessed. And then depending on the day, I will either just do moisturizer, like I'll do eye cream, moisturizer, go to bed, or I'll do some sort of serum, then moisturizer, eye cream, go to bed. But typically on a day-to-day, I'm just doing my moisturizer, and I am currently loving these two. This is my tried and true. I've been using it for years. Hands down, my favorite night cream ever. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I've gone through so many of these tubes. I've bought so many of these tubes. You can get it at Sephora. Whenever my skin breaks out, it's extra rashy, extra textury, really red. This is my lifesaver. This and aloe vera. But this is, I love this. I also really love the Bigger Than Beauty Skincare Defying Gravity Deep Hydration Moisturizer when my skin is extra dehydrated. I love wearing this moisturizer to go to bed because my skin looks so plump and awake and hydrated, bouncy in the morning. Oh, I love this so much. They also have a lightweight version, by the way. This one's really good too. Completely forgot to mention this in the video because I didn't have it with me at the moment. But this is a really good hydrating serum I like to use like once or twice a week. It has hyaluronic acid, aloe, arnica. It makes my skin feel really soft. And this video is not sponsored. I genuinely like this. I also forgot to mention this when I was sitting down in my video because this was in my purse and I completely forgot about it, but I use this all the time. So this is the Prequel Universal Skin Solution Dermal Spray for face and body. Basically, it's just a hypochlorous acid spray. And this one for me, personally, it's my favorite one. I love the spray on this one. I don't think you can see that. But honestly, I just use any type of hypochlorous acid on my skin before and after my workouts. And I swear it makes a difference in keeping my skin like nice, calm, and clean. I don't get like workout pimples on my face anymore from sweat. I love this. I also really love the Tower 28 one. This is a hypochlorous acid spray. This is the cute one they did with Kung Fu Panda. I love this. He's kicking the little W. Are you kidding me? But they also have one on Amazon that I have in my storefront if you want to check it out. That's even cheaper than this one. But basically, I also use hypochlorous acid in my skincare routine. And then for eye cream, I gotta say, sometimes I feel like eye cream is a gimmick, a scam, but then sometimes I'll use it consecutively and I'll notice a huge difference in my under eyes. I'm so freaking lazy though that I use my face moisturizer as eye cream all the time. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta be honest with you. Sometimes I'm like, oh, and I use it as eye cream. And hey, when you're on a budget, that works, okay? Or if you're lazy. But I have been really loving these eye creams. So this is the First Aid Beauty Retinol Eye Cream with squalene and ceramides. I don't use this eye cream every single day, but when I do, I feel like I notice a difference in my under eyes. You can use this in the morning or at night. I really like it. I also love the other First Aid Beauty one. First Aid Beauty has great, amazing skincare. I love their eye creams as well. Bigger Than Beauty has a fantastic eye cream that really awakes the under eyes. It's also part of the Defying Gravity line. I really like that one as well. I just change up my eye creams every so often. And then boom, I'll go to bed and then I'll either put this on my lips, which is classic, good old Aquaphor, or lately I have been using this product. I don't have it with me right now because I left it at my dad's house, but I love this lip balm from Naturium. I love how big it is, so it'll last you forever, but my lips feel so thick and nourishing and amazing in the morning. I love it. I've been using it recently and I feel like it's been making a difference on my crusty ass dry lips. But shout out Aquaphor because so good. Okay, and then before I get into what I do in the morning, I do want to talk about some other skincare products that I incorporate throughout the week into my nighttime skincare routine. So I'm not someone who exfoliates the skin that much, simply because my skin is pretty sensitive to it, but I do agree that exfoliating here and there just brightens the skin and makes a huge difference. And these are my current favorites at the moment. So the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads with glycolic and lactic acids is something I'll use here and there. You can see I'm like halfway through these. These are little like tiny little pads, and I'll just rub this on my face after I wash my face before I go in with my moisturizer and stuff. I'll just rub this on my skin, and it's kind of like a chemical exfoliator versus a physical one, and I love it. It's really good for my sensitive skin, but I feel like it does smooth out my skin and just make it look a little bit brighter. I love this. If I'm not feeling the pad thing, I will use this underneath my moisturizer, and this is the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Acid Serum. It's supposed to clarify, retexturize. I like this because it has that salicylic acid, and I find that when I do use this in the morning, my skin does look brighter and beautiful. I wish they would come back with their pineapple serum. Glow Recipe used to have a pineapple serum that smelled like ass, but man, did it make my face look amazing. This one's still really, really good and it's pretty close. I love the way my skin looks in the morning. And that's honestly as far as I go with exfoliating. Actually, no, because this is kind of like an exfoliator as well. This is my holy grail skincare item. Out of everything in this video, this is my holy grail. This is the Bigger Than Beauty Overnight Sensation Gentle Retexturizing Solution. I don't know if you guys remember me talking about this back in the day when it used to be the Thrive Cosmetics. I forget the name of it. I'll put a picture of it right here. From the moment I first used this product, I absolutely fell in love with this. I don't know what's in this, but when I wake up the next day, guys, my face looks like $1 million. It is bright, it is smooth, it's just incredible. I don't use it often because it's intense, but it's just, oh my gosh, I love it so much. I will always incorporate this into my routine. This is just like their updated version. They rebranded, they came out with the Bigger Than Beauty skincare line. You can get it at thrivecosmetics.com. They have like their own little skincare line now. So it's in different packaging, but it's pretty much the same formula and I love it just as much. It's so good. It's a little pricey, but it just does just wonders for my skin. This is my favorite retinol at the moment. Retinol is a nice thing to incorporate into your skin. Look it up. I'm not a dermatologist, ask your skincare provider, not skincare provider, ask your doctor. But I love retinol even though I'm very, very sensitive to a lot of it. This one is really good. It's the First Aid Beauty 0.3% retinol complex serum. And I'll use this once or twice a week whenever I'm feeling like I need it. And I will apply just a little tiny little a booger-sized amount of this on my face. And then I go in with my moisturizer. And when I wake up, my skin looks amazing. Okay, and then sometimes my skin is looking a little bit too crazy. Maybe I'm trying out too many makeup products. My pores are clogged, my skin looks stuffy, you know, something's going on. I need a detox. This is the one I've been using a lot. This is the Caudalie Vinergetic C+. Do I know how to read? Instant Detox Mask. It tightens pores, removes excess oil, purifying clay, coffee, and grape. This could be a little drying if you're someone like me and has Sahara Desert skin, but I love the way my skin looks after I use this. It takes everything out of my nose. It's a good detox. I don't feel like it's like stripping my skin. It doesn't harden weird. I really like it. My skin looks amazing after I use it and I keep coming back to this. If there's another mask you recommend, let me know, but I have been loving this one. If I want to spot treat a pimple, like if I got a really grubby, nasty little guy that won't go away, I will use the Sunday Riley Saturn Sulfur Spot Treatment Mask. I really like this. Whenever I put this on a pimple the next day, it is visibly smaller. I will either use this or like strong salicylic acid like directly onto the pimple and it usually does the trick. You don't need a Sunday Riley mask, but I do love the ingredients in that product. It really, really helps my skin. And yeah, so that is my nighttime skincare routine, my nighttime skincare favorites. In the morning, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy, okay, I'm lazy. Guys, I can't be bothered to do a full skincare routine in the morning. There's not even toner here. I have no toner. This is what I do, okay? I wake up. Obviously, I brush my teeth, I do all of that. I wash my face. I'm either washing my face with my Prequel cleanser, Vanicream, whatever it is, but recently, I'm not gonna lie, guys. This stuff is so good. This is the Rhode Pineapple Refresh PGA Daily Cleanser, and I swear this was sent to me in PR. I am going to run and buy it whenever I run out of this because it just like wakes up my skin in the morning. This is a great daily cleanser. I don't use it at night at all. Prequel for the win, Prequel forever, Prequel till I die. But the texture of this product, it's so interesting. It's like thick and balmy, so it's not drying or stripping, it's hydrating. It feels really, really nice on the skin, but yet it's like refreshing and it just wakes up the skin. It has like a soft citrus scent, super pleasant. I really, really like this cleanser a lot and I've been using it during the day, every morning when I wash my face. I've been loving it. And then after I wash my face, I will literally only apply 2 products and I swear this product is what's keeping my skin looking so nice throughout the day and like fresh and youthful. I love this. This is just SPF 50, but this is the Prequel one. It's the Sun Barrier Mineral Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 50, and I've been using this as my daily face moisturizer after I wash my face. It is amazing. It's my favorite SPF 50 right now. I've been wearing it for a few hours. It leaves the skin so hydrated without feeling greasy. The texture on this is A++++. plus 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 plus. Okay, hydrating, glowy, you look amazing, but it just feels so nice on the skin, and you get SPF 50. I honestly, I have no complaints. I love everything about this. And then I will go in with a little bit of eye cream, and recently I've been using the Current State Peptide and Caffeine Firming Eye Cream. I like that this eye cream has caffeine in it, and it kind of like wakes up my under eyes. I have it on today. I have a lot of dark spots, and sometimes I'll go in with this eye cream too in the morning. This is the Brighten and Glow eye cream from First Aid Beauty. This one brightens up a little bit, so if you want a little bit more of a glowy, brighter under eye in the morning, this one's really nice. I love that this one has caffeine, so I kind of interchange them and use either or, but honestly it's just mainly this, and I take this all the way down to my neck. So it's from like here to here. I lather my face in this and neck, and then I'll just go on throughout the day. I will start doing my makeup, and the first thing I do is apply my Tower 28 Intensive Rescue Serum. It's great for my sensitive skin, but I only use this as like a foundation primer. It looks beautiful underneath my makeup, and it's good for my skin. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my skincare routine. These are currently my must-haves at the moment. Let me know if there's a skincare item that you absolutely love that I might want to check out. If you have sensitive, dry skin, let me know. And even if you don't, leave your current skincare favorites in the comments. Put your skin type, like if you have very oily skin and you have something that really works for you, let us know in the comments, because I want us to discover new favorites and what works for everybody's skin. Let's have a discussion down below. Let's all help each other out. Let's help each other out. But yeah, guys, that's it. That completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so, so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!